Hello friends, my name is Amit from Channel Grow Together. Today I'm going to discuss about another great option to earn passive income, which is peer-to-peer lending. There are different companies available in Canada for peer-to-peer lending, but Lending Loop is one of the best option for peer-to-peer lending. And this company is 100% Canadian owned and based off Toronto, Ontario. They've been in business since 2014 and they are fully regulated. They have lent almost $70 million to different businesses in Canada. In this video, I'm going to cover to whom they lend the money, what is their criteria to qualify for the loan, how you can invest money into this company, and how much you earn if you invest in this company. At last, I'll cover the fees they charge and their rates. So first of all, they lend to small businesses. So the business can borrow from $1,000 to $500,000 as a loan based on their requirement, and their interest rates start from 4.96% up to almost 25%. And their criteria, minimum criteria to qualify for the loan is the business has to be in business for 1 year, their annual revenue must be 100,000, and their personal credit score must be above 600 points. And the business can apply online if they meet the criteria. Once they submit the application, as soon as they go through the screening process, if they meet all the requirements, they will get their money into their account. So the next thing I want to cover here is there are two options that you can invest in, lend money in at this platform. First of all, you have to just open an account where you click on invest now, and it'll take you to the portfolio to the page where you can open the new account. There are two ways to lend the money. First is you can lend the money manually, so you can select the businesses to whom you want to lend the money. Second option is you can go for auto lending. So in that case, you will complete a questionnaire where it'll select a portfolio based on your answers. It'll be either balanced or conservative. So if it's a balanced portfolio, you can earn up to 7.9% interest rate per year, whereas if it's a if it's conservative portfolio for you, then you will earn around 6.7% per year in interest. So here you can see that it says A plus till E. So if you are in balanced portfolio, they're gonna invest your money into the businesses, those who are based on their rating. So A plus means the safest business, where you will get really low interest rate paid on your money invested, whereas E is you will get high interest paid, but they are the riskiest businesses where they can go default as well. But definitely they screen the businesses pretty well before lending the money to them, whereas in conservative portfolio they will just go from A plus to B, and they won't go for the high risk businesses or clients. The next one, first thing to earn money is by investing the money into this portfolio. Second one, you can refer your friends. If they invest $1,500 onto this platform, once they reach this amount, you will get $25, as well as they will get $25 into their account once they have lent $1,500. So you can just share that link and they can open a new account with the Lending Loop. At last, their rate, so they charge a fee 1.5% per year, which is just a management fee that they charge, and this is charged once you get your money back from the client where you have lent the money. And here it shows that borrower annual loan cost, so which can be in between 4.96 to 24.93% per year. So this is the information I wanted to share. If you have liked the video, please click thumbs up, and if you have any question, please post below in the comment, and there is a link in the description if you want to open an account with Lending Loop. Thank you very much.